Hey, this is Jonathan with this super cool tool called TrailPik. Now, I've been cleaning drivetrains on bikes since I was probably 7 years old. BMX bikes, working my way to mountain bikes. I gotta tell you, this is kind of unusual. It's unusual not because it gets it super shiny clean, but I can get to places I've never been able to clean and get the grit out without disassembling the entire bike. Let me show you some basic steps. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start at the top. And it's really simple. You just place the TrailPik tool inside this large sprocket here, and as you backpedal, it pulls it naturally into the wheel, and it grabs it all the way near the bottom. And you can see this thing just completely disappeared down there. And what it does, it pulls up all the grime and dirt. And within about, a couple minutes, you're going to be done cleaning your cog. Now look how far down that went. Look, I'm almost in the middle of the cog there. He's getting all kinds of stuff out. This thing is great, actually. Yeah, at first I wasn't too sold because I thought it was too bendy and too flexy and that the bristles weren't big enough or firm enough. But now that I've got some time into this, alright, I'm realizing this little tool gets into places that, man, I just don't see on my bike. Only time I see this far down into my cog is if I turn it onto the back side. Look at that. Alright, now if I wasn't talking so much, I'd say probably, let me go ahead and gear up real quick. I'd say, alright, probably about 45 seconds, minute or so, I'm done. Look how dirty that thing is. It's got a ton of stuff. And that's it. TrailPik, right? Any bike in the house, anytime. Mountain bikes, road bikes, BMX bikes. This thing's going to get to places you don't always can get to. And they come in multiple sizes. Super cool blue. Little orange tips. Doesn't scratch things. And to boot, you can keep it organized in this nifty ring. This is Jonathan, TrailPik, signing out. Good luck cleaning your bike.